All right, everyone, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add tags to email addresses using opt-in forms. So here we are, we're logged into my dashboard on my dummy account, right? I want to make sure I'm on the right list. That's where you always start. Usually, list is traffic tips. Great. I want to go down to sign up forms. Shock and surprise. If you're creating a new form, so there's one form that's already here. I'm going to show you how to tag that. If you're creating a new form, it's even easier because you just go in here, you click create a sign up form for my website. If you're creating it for your website. Once you're here, design a form. There's where you would design the form here with the text and everything. This is where you would add the tag. So in this tag, I'm just going to call it Instagram traffic report. So anybody that puts their name and email address into this form is asking for the Instagram traffic report. And it did a little autocomplete for me there because I've already used that tag on other emails. Okay, so there you go. So all you would do at this point is finish creating your form, save your form, right? Then you would go to step 2, settings, and then you would go to step 3. You know, just create the form like you normally would. Obviously, I'm blowing through that very quickly. Then you would just right here, copy the JavaScript, paste it into your website, or copy the raw HTML and paste that into your website and the form will show up. Now let's go back to sign up forms real briefly and I'll be done. So this is the one we just created, the form we just created, and I forgot to name it, so I could edit that or click there and go back and rename it. But I'm going to go back to the form that was created before I even started this video. I'm going to click traffic tips, click on the title or edit. This has already been created, this form. I'm going to put the tag in. I'm going to use the same tag, Instagram traffic report, right? The only difference is, once again, you're going to save your form. You're going to go to step 2. That's already been set up because the form already exists and is being used on a page. I'm going to go to step 3. And this is where it gets a little tricky. Once again, if you in the past created, right down here, you used the JavaScript code and you pasted the JavaScript code into your website, be it a WordPress website, Wix, Weebly, GoDaddy, HTML, Dreamweaver, whatever. If the JavaScript code is what's pasted into your website and that's what generates the opt-in form, then you don't have to do anything, right? Just resave the form and the code is updated here and the code is updated on the website. You're done. On the other hand, if you originally, and see how there's so much HTML code here. Wow. I'm going to click here and click once it highlights it all. And then you would press Control C to copy, Command C on a Mac. Now, if I pasted HTML code into the website, the WordPress, Weebly, Wix, whatever. If I pasted HTML code into the website, then after I make the change to the form, in this case by adding the Instagram traffic tag, then I've got to recopy this and repaste it into the website. Okay? The form on the website will not update automatically unless the JavaScript snippet code was used. And that's all there is to using your opt-in form to tag email subscribers as they sign up and subscribe to your email list. That's it, and that's all. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you in the next video.